I will show you how to redirect your domain in Namecheap account. So let's get started with the video. Once logged into Namecheap account, we need to click the Dashboard tab, which will take us to this page. The domain name can be found in the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see the domain here, click this domain list to see all your domain in Namecheap account. Next, we will need to click the Manage button, which will get us to this page. In this page, we need to scroll down to redirect domain section. Next, we need to click the Add Domain link. In this video, I will be using the domain cosmocarrot.com to be redirected to another domain, which is the citriweb.com. In this first field, we will need to enter the domain that needs to be redirected, cosmocarrot.com. And in the second field, we need to enter the domain to which the domain has to be redirected to, the citriweb.com. Next, we need to click the tick mark here to save and update the domain redirection. And done, the domain has been redirected from one domain to another in Namecheap account. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like and comment if the video was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates when I add more content.